We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this series of sunglasses by Italian brand Gucci. How do you say this phrase from French? It means the blind by love. So somebody who is blind for some reason because he's in love or something. Anyhow, how do you say it? In French, in France, it is said as l'aveugle par amour. L'aveugle par amour. You could say it in English, l'aveugle par amour. L'aveugle par amour. Or in French, l'aveugle par amour. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting brand names, luxury fashion brand names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.